As we grow older, one of the most common changes people notice is a loss of leg strength. Climbing stairs becomes harder, getting up from a chair takes more effort, and long walks start to feel like a workout. It's easy to think this is just part of aging, but the truth is, you can absolutely regain leg strength after 50, even at home, without fancy equipment. In today's video, we'll walk through exactly how to rebuild your leg strength safely and effectively. We'll cover why leg muscles weaken with age, what simple exercises you can do at home, and how small daily habits can make a big difference. Let's begin by understanding why our legs lose strength as we get older. Starting around age 50, we naturally begin to lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. Studies show that adults can lose up to 1% of their muscle mass every year after 50 if they don't stay active. This doesn't just affect how strong you feel, it impacts your balance, coordination, and even your independence. Weak legs can increase your risk of falls, which are a major cause of injury in older adults. But here's the good news. The loss of muscle is not permanent. You can reverse it through consistent movement, proper nutrition, and simple strength exercises that you can do right in your living room. Let's start with movement. The best way to rebuild strength is to move your legs every day. It doesn't have to be intense. Even a 20-minute walk can make a difference. Walking helps keep your joints flexible, boosts circulation, and maintains the connection between your brain and muscles. If you can, walk outdoors. Sunshine and fresh air also help improve mood and bone health. Now let's talk about specific exercises that rebuild strength safely. You don't need a gym. All you need is a sturdy chair and a wall. The first exercise is chair squats. Stand in front of a chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower yourself down until you just touch the chair. Don't need to sit completely. And then push back up. This targets your thighs and glutes, which are essential for walking, climbing stairs, and standing up. Start with 10 repetitions and increase as you get stronger. Next, try heel raises. Stand behind a chair, hold it for support, and slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising onto your toes. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower back down. This strengthens your calves and improves ankle stability, which is important for balance. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions. The third exercise is leg extensions. Sit on a chair, lift one leg out straight in front of you. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower it down. Alternate legs. This simple move strengthens the muscles around your knees and helps reduce stiffness. Another excellent exercise is wall sits. Stand with your back against a wall. Slide down until your knees are bent like you're sitting in an invisible chair, and hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. As you get stronger, increase the time. This builds endurance in your thighs and glutes. And don't forget side leg lifts. Stand beside a chair for balance, lift one leg out to the side, hold for a second, and lower it back down. This exercise strengthens your hip muscles, crucial for stability and preventing falls. If you can do these exercises 4 to 5 times a week, you'll start noticing improvement in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. Your legs will feel firmer, your balance will improve, and you'll have more confidence in your movements. Now let's talk about something just as important: nutrition. To rebuild muscle, your body needs the right building blocks. That means enough protein. Most older adults don't get enough protein to maintain muscle. Try to include a good source of protein in every meal, like eggs, fish, chicken, Greek yogurt, lentils, or beans. Also, make sure you're getting enough vitamin D and calcium, which are vital for strong bones and muscle function. Foods like salmon, fortified milk, cheese, and leafy greens are excellent choices. If you don't get enough sunlight, talk to your doctor about a vitamin D supplement. And don't underestimate hydration. Muscles need water to contract and recover properly. Aim to drink throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Dehydration can make your muscles feel weak and stiff. Finally, consistency is everything. You don't need to do all exercises perfectly right away. What matters is that you keep moving. Even 5 minutes a day is better than none. Over time, your endurance will increase naturally. One great tip is to tie exercise to your daily routine. For example, do heel raises while brushing your teeth, or a few chair squats every time you stand up to watch TV. These small actions, repeated daily, lead to major improvements. You might be surprised to know that research from Harvard Health found older adults who performed simple leg exercises 3 times a week improved their muscle strength by up to 30% within 3 months. That means it's never too late to start. Your body still responds beautifully to movement, no matter your age. Before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize what you can start doing today. Walk daily. Perform simple leg exercises like chair squats, heel raises, and leg extensions. Eat enough protein, stay hydrated, and be consistent. Remember, every step counts, literally. You're not just building stronger legs, you're building independence, stability, and the freedom to enjoy life on your own terms. So start today. Your legs will thank you, your energy will rise, and you'll feel more confident in every step you take. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like so others over 50 can see it too. Subscribe for more easy science-backed tips to help you stay strong, mobile, and healthy as you age.